Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got another order from Boxycharm Mega Drop Shop. I think I had 7 orders altogether, I think. This one was the very last order, which they did not come in order. I still have a couple. I have one that I haven't received yet, and I have another one to show you. This I think was the last one because this is all stuff that I don't need, but because they gave me coupons, y'all. So $10 off. If you spend $25, you got the free shipping. You pay the $1.99. So I paid $26.99 for this stuff. So for all of this is valued at $204. So let me show you what I got. Okay. I cannot believe it because I got some more of these, but these were priced at $9.99 through most of the sale. Then toward the end of the sale, they were $6.99 for all 3 of these. There are 6 in each package. There's 5 in a package, and there's a bonus. So there's 18 sheet masks for $6.99. For $9.99, it was fantastic. So these are the plainest, I'm not sure how to say it, daily masks. This one is for collagen with the penguin. This is retinol with the cute little pug dog. And this is vitamin C with the fox. They are not character masks. They're just white masks, but they're nice. I've had them before. I've gotten them from Boxy or from Fab Fit Fun. I'm not sure which. But these are valued at $24.99 a box. So $75 value right here. So I had to get it. I had to get more. I know I have. I don't even know how many bundles of those I got. I got a bunch because the sale was so fantastic. Okay. Next I got the Honey Jarrett Super Beauty Masks. These are the green apple. This, I think, is the only scent that they had this time. I did not see the rose, and I haven't seen the rose for a while. And the honey, I think they had last time, but I like them all. But this has 5 masks per box, and these are $14 a box. There's 5 masks, but I pay $3 a box, okay? So to get me to my $26, well, like I said, $1.99. So to get me to my $25, I also got a sponge gel that was $3, but I didn't get it. They gave me a $3 refund plus a little tax, you know. And then I got this little item because I was trying to get to my $25. Again, I didn't need any of this stuff, but I thought for the price, I mean, for the $10 off, I mean, I can't pass up a deal like that. So anyway, this is, let me see, the Moxie Lash. This is the liquid magnetic eyeliner. Y'all know I don't wear eyelashes, but Carol Gardner tells me these are the best, and she has sent me some, and I promised last year that I was gonna start to wear just to show, you know, just to have a fun video where I put them on like last January, and I never did it. So I'm doing it this January, and this was $4. So I had to get it because when you get the lashes, sometimes they don't come with the liner, and I've heard that the liner does dry out quickly, and I'm looking at the expiration date. I think it's already expired. So I could just be the way I'm looking at it. I'll have to check that out later. But anyway, $4 for that. And then there was this package. This was called, a lot of times they do these better together where they might show you one item and then you don't know what the other item is as a surprise. But this, they showed both of these items, $6.99. This liner is valued at $55. I don't know about that, but Moxie lashes are expensive, so I wouldn't pay $55 for it, especially if this is past date now. And like I said, I have to get my magnifying glass out for that. This is the Hip Dot C-Note palette, which I've had before, but it's great for a giveaway. This is $20 value. And then these brushes are Luxie brushes, and these are $40 value. So for $60, I paid $6.99. Plus, I didn't really, because my value is $204, all the stuff I'm showing you, and I paid $26.98 minus $10. That's what I paid. Okay, so let me show you the brushes. I've had this before. I received this actually as a gift way back a while ago, and I just love it. It's this super cute little pleather bag. It says Luxie on it, purple. Isn't that beautiful? And I have bought this a few times because it's in the Boxy sales and it's such a good deal. A lot of times it's $7.99 for just this, and this was $6.99 for this and the palette. So you have 4 eye brushes and also a little sponge. I mean, this is a fantastic gift, a fantastic stocking stuffer. Look at the pretty mint colored handles with the purple bag. Love it. And like I said, I received that as a gift myself from somebody, and I adore it. And it has that pretty like copper zipper. So that is fantastic. And then I got the Hip Dot palette. This is the C Note. They don't even have this anymore on the Hip Dot website, but it's beautiful. There it is. I don't have this myself personally because it's not my, well, I've always given it away, but now that I'm looking at it, I like it a lot. So here's the colors so you can see. It's beautiful. I don't really wear a lot of blues, but when I would wear this. I would wear these turquoise. Any of the shimmers I would wear. All of the shimmers I would wear. There's a lot of mattes in here. That's probably why I wouldn't necessarily use it. This blue right here is a shimmer, and I might use it a little bit, but not much. So I'd rather share it with someone that could use it. It's just gorgeous, but we'll see what happens. We'll see. It's beautiful. I mean, I couldn't pass up that price. $6.99 for these two. $6.99 for these two when I have paid $7.99 just for this. And this was valued at $60. What's wrong, Smudge? Okay. Anyway, that is this edition of this order from Boxycharm Mega Drop Shop. That lasted from November 1st to November 29th, that sale. And they had daily deals, and they just had a lot of fabulous stuff, y'all. So I couldn't pass it up. I have a lot of things for giveaways. I have a lot of things just, for Mass Mondays and stuff like that. So thanks for stopping by and seeing what I got, and count your blessings, y'all. And I do want to know that I have things. My walls are delicate. They don't hold things properly. So I have like nails and pins in my walls. So these things don't fit quite nicely. But I had to have my fabulous wreath up there from Miss Kitty that she made for me. And I can't, that's the only place I can really put it where you can, maybe I'll put it on the white. I don't know. I have to do something different because I can see that's hard to see. Anyway, I'll try to figure it out, y'all. Thanks for stopping by and count your blessings. Bye-bye.